there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of exploring durable and eco-friendly material, that is PP woven fabric. Firstly, let's understand what is PP woven fabric. PP stands for polypropylene, which is a type of plastic polymer. When we say woven, we mean that polypropylene strips or tapes are woven together in a crisscross pattern, creating a strong and flexible material. This weaving process gives the fabric its unique combination of strength and flexibility. Imagine a basket weave but with plastic threads instead of wicker. This fabric can withstand significant wear and tear, making it perfect for heavy-duty applications. It's lightweight yet incredibly strong. Plus, it's resistant to stretching and shrinking, ensuring your items stay protected. These bags are not only strong enough to carry heavy groceries but are also washable and reusable, promoting sustainability. In agriculture, PP woven sacks are used for storing grains, seeds, and fertilizers. Their durability ensures the contents remain safe during transportation and storage. In the construction industry, PP woven fabric is used as geotextiles. These materials help in soil stabilization, erosion control, and drainage systems. The fabric's ability to allow water to pass through while holding back soil makes it an ideal choice for these applications. Let's not forget the environmental benefits. Polypropylene woven fabric is recyclable. Unlike single-use plastics, PP woven bags can be reused hundreds of times. When they finally reach the end of their life cycle, they can be recycled and transformed into new products. This reduces the overall plastic waste and helps in conserving resources. The production process of PP woven fabric also has a lower carbon footprint compared to other plastics, making it more eco-friendly option. The fabric can be printed with a variety of colors, patterns and logos, making it a popular choice for promotional items and branding. Companies can customize this bag to reflect their brand identity, creating a walk advertisement that's both functional and eye-catching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of fabrics. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or topics about the cover. Thanks for watching. See you next time.